In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Teams. By the end, your Calendly events will automatically include a Teams meeting link, saving you time and avoiding manual copy and paste. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Calendly account and that you have access to Microsoft Teams through your organization. If your company uses admin approvals for apps, you may need an administrator to approve the connection, so keep that in mind. Start in your Calendly dashboard. From here, head to the Integrations and Apps section. Depending on your view, you'll find it in the main navigation or under your account menu. This is Calendly's directory of official connections, and it's where you enable tools like Teams or Zoom, Slack, and more. Once you're in the directory, use the search bar and type Teams. You'll see a few results, but the one you want is Microsoft Teams Conferencing. This is the integration that allows Calendly to automatically generate a Teams meeting link for booked events. Make sure you select the conferencing option, not a generic Teams app listing that doesn't handle video links. Click Integrate Now to kick off the connection. Calendly will open a Microsoft sign-in window. Choose the correct Microsoft Work or School account that you use for Teams. If your browser is already signed in, you might be prompted to confirm that account. You'll be asked to grant permission so Calendly can create online meetings on your behalf and add them to your calendar. This is necessary for the integration to add the Teams link directly to your invite and confirmation messages, so review the prompt and accept to continue. After the permissions are granted, Calendly will show that Microsoft Teams Conferencing is connected. From this point on, when someone books time with you on an event type configured to use online conferencing, Calendly can attach a unique Teams link to the meeting automatically. You'll see that link in the calendar invite and in the confirmation page and emails your invitees receive. If you don't immediately see Teams as available, try refreshing the page. If your organization blocks new apps, you may need to ask an admin to approve Calendly's access to Microsoft Teams. Also, if you manage multiple Microsoft accounts, double-check that you connected the one tied to the calendar where you want meetings to land. That's it. You've connected Calendly with Microsoft Teams, so future bookings can include a secure Teams meeting link with no extra work on your part. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.